Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make maxi rolled sushi with tamagoyaki. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here is a tamagoyaki, that's a Japanese omelette that I made earlier. You can watch one of my other videos to see how to make tamagoyaki. To prepare the tamagoyaki for rolled sushi, you will need to slice it into 5 pieces lengthways like this. Now slice each piece into 2 again. This is everything you will need. 4 servings of sushi rice, 7 sheets of nori, 10 pieces of tamagoyaki which you've just cut, a sushi mat, 14 cucumber sticks, 21 seafood sticks and some salad cress. The cucumber sticks should be the same length as the sheets of nori. So the first step is to spread enough rice onto the nori to create a thin layer. Leave a 2 cm strip of nori at the top without rice. You are ready to add your fillings. Cucumber, tamagoyaki. If tamagoyaki is a little short, just cut a little piece to make up the length. Three crab sticks, more cucumber, and finally some salad cress. Let's roll our first maki. Take the mat by the bottom corners and using your fingers to hold the fillings in place, roll the bottom edge of the mat over until the nori sheet covers all the fillings. Here's your first roll. Now you are going to slice the roll. Take a sharp knife and dip it into cold water mixed with a tablespoon of sushi vinegar. This will stop the rice sticking to the blade as you cut. Wipe any rice off your knife and wet it again. If you have a new packet of nori and you have some sheets left over, remember to store them in an airtight container. Your first roll is done. 6 more to go. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!